Hello and welcome to Peggy's Tropical Garden, coming to you from the Florida Keys with an unboxing and seller review. Hi, Peggy here. Hope you're doing well. Thanks for joining me today for an unboxing as well as an in-depth seller review. As you know, I'm always looking for good, reliable sellers. And when I find them, I like to pass that information on to you. All I ask from you is that you leave me some of the good things. Don't buy it all. But anyway, today's seller has been on this selling platform since 2019, and in that time, they have been favorited by 599 people. They've had 1,726 sales and a rating of 4.9 out of 5 stars. So even though he hasn't been in business very long on this platform, you can see that he does quite a bit of business and has a very good standing. So this seller offers less common plants. Let's see, cacti, succulents, Hoyas, sansevierias, all of that and more. And he has a very wide selection. At the time of my recording, he had a couple of hundred things up for sale. This is my third transaction with this seller, and obviously things have gone well for me. However, I cannot guarantee anything. I'm not at all affiliated with this shop, but I do want to share my experiences with you. Well, that's enough background. Let's get on to the unboxing. Okay, and here is my package. As you can see, it was shipped priority mail. I paid $7.34 for shipping. He is in Florida, and I am also in Florida, and it took a week from the time I ordered it to get the package. Now, that's not the norm for him, and I'm not certain why it took so long. I'm just thinking he's doing a large volume of business, so just keep that in mind. If you need something quickly, you may want to communicate. And in here are some instructions on how to care for the plants once it's received. Hoya care guide that lets you know I did buy a Hoya. And so he's got some paperwork and help. I love getting instructions with my plants. It tells you kind of a little bit about how the plant has been cared for. So this is how it looks. Nice and neat. Now this is a bare rooted plant, so I expect to find some dirt in here. And this is the plant all wrapped up nice and neat in some paper. No plastics, so that's nice. And here is my plant. I purchased the Hoya Kentiana Variegated, and the ad said it was being grown in it would be a full 4-inch pot, although it sent bare root. And yeah, look at the roots. Nice, very nice root system. So this isn't just a cutting that someone just popped into the dirt a few weeks ago or had been water propagating and then sent it. This has been growing for a while, and it's a nice sized plant. Now I did pay, let's see, I paid $23.99 plus tax of $2.04 in the state of Florida, and again $7.34 for shipping. But I have been looking for one of these plants for quite some time, and I haven't been able to find one at a price that I was willing to pay. I'm 100% pleased with this purchase from All About Succulents Florida. I think it's safe to say that All About Succulents Florida is a friend of Peggy's Tropical Garden, and here she is in my plant nook under the grow lights, looking fabulous, happy in her new home, and I'm just happy to have her. And as you can see, it is definitely a nice full pot. It's everything that the ad said it would be, so I'm quite pleased. And there you go. Pop on over to All About Succulents Florida, take a look at what he has to offer, and hopefully your experience will be as good as mine. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.